This is Clinical Trial Ontario's Clinical Trials Finder. It is a great search engine to use if you're looking for a clinical trial within Canada. The search bar is over here on the left. You can see that there are drop-down arrows to expand to allow for different search characteristics. You can fill in as many or as little as you would like. You can put in your postal code so that you can look up trials that are only within a specified search radius of your home, or you can look at trials all across Canada. You can also specify which study phase you would like to do, or your demographics such as age and sex or other keywords. I like to go with a very broad search term to begin with. So I wouldn't fill in any of these, and I would leave it within all of Canada, and I would just put in condition. It's important to know that this search function is trying to match exact words from study documents. That means that you might have to try a few different search terms to get what you are looking for. Keep in mind that conditions might have multiple names or distinctions. So if you try one name and don't find anything, you should try the other. It is also very important that you don't spell it wrong, because it will not come up with any suggestions based on what you wrote and will instead yield no results. Let's do an example. Say you have knee osteoarthritis. For this, you could try putting in arthritis, osteoarthritis, or knee osteoarthritis. So let's try putting in knee osteoarthritis and leaving everything else blank. Every time you do a search, whether it yields results or not, you can enter your email to subscribe to updates for what you have searched. If something is uploaded that matches your search, you will receive a notification by email about it. So that's a very useful tool, especially if you're looking up something that's more rare. As you can see, we found 11 search results. This results page will list all of the studies that matched your search terms. You can see very brief descriptions of them on this page, like the conditions being studied, the locations, whether or not they are recruiting, and the phase of the study. If there's a study that you're interested in, you can click on it, and it will bring you to more information. Once again, the overview is what you would have seen on the search results page. But then you can hit the drop-down arrows for a more in-depth description of the study parameters. This will give you important information, including the eligibility criteria, which could dictate whether or not you would qualify. At the bottom, you'll find information such as who sponsored the study and who to contact in order for more information. Remember, when using the Clinical Trials Finder, you should always start your search very broad and then narrow it down if you get lots of results. The more specific you make the original search, the more likely that you might miss studies that you actually wanted to find.